Thank you. Before that spirit of dance enter my body, maybe I need to go visit Pastor Tony more. Yankee or men. I want to that spirit of dance. As one bar man.
Make it remove am.
Make it. But if you remove, I'm waiting to come remain for me now.
Oh, Nikoko.
I know could they complete. You see, could they like say something come on my body? I could just day like that.
Walk.
You could play music. You see, that's why I could just day. You could play the song where they. That's why I could just
day like that.
Then now you go come meet. Now you go stop the music. I could still yours day. Now you go come meet me say, Katim.
What's happen?
I said I don't get the spirit of dancing anymore. When I welcome on top the night show, before we come market, we just they ask question. We call they ask. ECB they dodge the question. Still never answer. Una they bear witness. ECB never answer the question. Still they say, many things they involve. Many things they involve. I still wait to see the many things where they involve. When they ask una if to say your wife come be president of this night and you be man, you could still give and chop money. Now your simple question. You could give an upkeep. Or you both they call an upkeep. You could still give an upkeep. It's short and simple. Our telephone number, they muna telephone us. Hello?
Hello.
My brother.
Good evening.
And now, Samson.
What of Nitu now?
I don't sell him. They don't know come. I say, I'm come back. You know, quick come back. I say, me no come again.
About this matter where you talk, if it is my wife be president, I don't give her job money again. No
wonder you be Samson. So your wife go be Delilah.
So if my wife be president, now me go see they give her.
Now you go see they give her.
I don't go give her money.
Why now?
No, I'm going to advise her what to do. Because the women, I'm going to give her good advice what to do.
You?
Advisor.
Good advice?
Yes.
So you could be personal advisor to the president. Yes, now you could be personal advisor.
Because money don't there. You don't need chop money at all. For him to give him chop money, you don't need.
So what do you want they take your money they do?
I go tell her make they pump the money to my account. Make they pump money to my account.
Okay, bye. Oh.
Bye. Need you. I make easy beat. I greet you easy beat.
Yes, boss. Aye, Baba.
After a long time, I greet you. Well done.
Aye, boss.
Kathy, I greet you. Kathy.
Ma, sir?
Chuma.
Yes.
Hello.
I greet you.
Me self greet you, join, no? Samson, go and greet your Delilah very well, oh? For every Samson, there is a Delilah. Hello? Hello? Chioma? Yeah. Chioma da kisang. I don't like Chioma ku borok if no ke do favor. Favor, I call you the one that answer you. Okay, let me quickly take some tweet when enter. Ounene Musa say how much you want give him. Make we forget no more chop money for her. Now you also take care of the children's. If you tell her say I could give and chop money, but the amount go reduce, has level self don't change. He say we need change. Okwe Emmanuel say I could still give my wife chop money. Now Nigerian president, but she still be my wife, and I still have to provide for my family. Now God could bless you, my brother. Oputa Kelechi say no need giving her chop money now because now country could provide everything the family they chop. The family get their allowance, lazy man. Miki Okoye say, as the man, you need to live up to your responsibility. I could still they give her money so as to maintain my respect. End of discussion. Make it on board over. He saying could still give her job money out of self-respect as a man. So that tomorrow when you stand and say, Madam, I say, how they take talk? How man they take command? Come back here.
Say, come back here. Come back here.
She said, go move, come back.
Will you just sit there?
You could sit down and say, yes, sir.
New Jersey, baby.
Chidima. Oh, sweet girl.
Hey,
hello.
Kathy.
How are you?
Hi, Kathy.
Oh. How are
Hi,
you? Oh.
Hi, Beju. Hi, Easy.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Oh, Easy, you know you're my boyfriend in New Jersey. You know that?
Hey.
Sorry?
What
You know you're my boyfriend in New Jersey. You know that?
Oh, for real? Thank you very much.
Hi, Nedu.
I saw Nedu no come back quick from market. So,
oh, okay. Hi, Kathy. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, what's your question?
Yeah. If you be president,
Yeah.
you could expect your husband make you still give you chop money.
Of course, yes. What did they wipe me for in the night for?
I don't know, my sister. You are too much. You are there. Hey, they are there.
Of course, you go give me my money now.
Oh, my sister. I'm going to chop 5. Take whatever you are.
Of course, you go give me my money.
Chop
if you
5.
don't wipe me, you go pay. Business
Okay.
na president. Business na president. Of course, that one are separate. That one are separate couples. That one are different thing. That one are president for Nigeria.
Okay.
Family na family. Also na wife na couple. So if I want money, I want money from you. I'll collect money from you now. If you say you don't get money, you dey mad.
It's not be quarrel. No offense. Oh, it's not quarrel. Thank you so much. Hear me. Yeah. It's okay. We know the fight now. Now yours discussion. Yeah, You see it. You go fit?
From just.
Hey, New Year's with that kind temper. Hello, Francis.
Hello.
Hey, my brother. How is today?
Fine, today fine. Katim, how are you?
Oh, I they all right, so.
Okay.
So
I
if
think
you're...
they talk of if my wife be president.
My brother. Are you in there? How you want to if your wife be president? You could still give her job money?
Yes, now if my wife be president, I know give her money again now.
Francis, why?
Because now government they provide, I don't use the money campaign for her.
So what's in the money where you could make after the campaign? Your own money? What you could take your own money they do?
You know, the woman not to lie money. After they come to the whole government, the whole state house, they give you money. Still they look for my own money. You know good. Now I do the chap for money.
But now with your wife, she be your wife before she turned president.
I see my wife now, but the money go in my pocket. I don't.
Nedu, I don't want you. Make you not enter this studio. Nedu, I don't want you since. I say make you go house.
Person online now.
My brother, you dey talk say Nedu they beg me from far. I know they cry am.
Okay, Katim, thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, me.
Yeah,
you say if you too like money, oh. You see, how person could fit send person message? You just come.
Leave me. Do
hello.
person online. Answer her.
Hello.
Hello, dear.
Hello, Katim.
Antonia.
Afala.
Oh, my sister. Hi there. How beneath?
I'm fine, yo. When you say when they do now?
Nedu, they vex me. How person could come market? Nedu no look time. Say we get to come sit down here talk to una today. Today he can't stand. Now they stand for outside. They do me eye like this. They do me eye like this. You know, so I don't go fit tell them no. Make you kneel down. I think. Nedu, come and kneel down here and apologize. Come and kneel down. Come and kneel down. Come and kneel down here. Kneel down. They know they send you go market. Kneel down. Raise your hand. As you they talk, stay like that. Not talk anything, just stay there.
And you talk the flock.
I they hear you, Jared.
Yes.
So, Anto, our family.
Confess now. They confess. Where you go?
You know go fit talk. You know go fit talk. Kati go beat am.
You know go fit talk. Except you won't try me when be president for today. You know fit try. Make you there, me not talk first. We could come back and come back before you talk, but you go there. Anthony, I tell you, oh.
It's happened now.
I did, Anthony. Good evening.
It's up now, isn't it? Easy people, lucky people.
I hear you, no. Okay, Anthony. Good evening.
We dey call market. Anthony, I tell you, may we call market. Then make I know what I want to do with this Nedu. We dey come back.
When they see without makeup,
much, Jare. Nedu, I say make you raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. Leave hand like that. Make I tell you waiting Ibitola for Twitter say. He say Nedu, Katim send you message. You branch Sanusi fa from Wabi. God see you. God see you. No be me talk am ide here. Ungwanu, sing forgiveness song. If you know say you want to get up from that crown, yours now. Raise your hand up. Sing your forgiveness song. Barabo, Katim, Barabo, Barabo, Katim, Barabo. In your journey, name no watch. Barabo, oh, what you? You dey cost me a thing.
No, I say make you forgive me. Every bad thing what I don't do. Everything forgive me. It's the devil's work. Not be say now one.
You need to see him face.
Is it not true?
You know they honest.
This.
They do face not they honest. See they got eye for me.
If not be because of God, I could say may you stay there. But get up. With this season of change, sit down.
Yeah, season of change. Make us sit down now.
Sit down there. Where you branch go? What thing delay you for market, Nedu?
Now traffic.
Yeah.
So as I dey waka at oh God, as I just dey go, I say make I just go oh God, oh God. If you see the waka, I just
do the waka.
I become oh God, oh God, oh God.
We are sorry. Oh, welcome.
Thank
you. Don't drink water.
I never drink water,
okay.
But I see something. I go chop later.
Okay. So Nedu, I want to ask you. I tell them say when we start show today, say I know even discuss am with you because all the say we dey busy. You say they go market, they come back. I say if you are madam be presido, if you are wife or your girlfriend or your sweetheart or everything through, or your Delilah, better for Samson, and yeah Delilah men through, your girlfriend or your wife ado president. You could still they keep and chop money. One wait, me will talk to Choma. Choma, hello. Yeah, Choma.
Hey, Choma.
Oh.
Hello, Nedu.
How is you?
Nedu, Captain use my credit, they punish you there.
No, madam.
Choma, what didn't talk? It cost me a thing.
Choma said, I said God bless her.
Captain,
Ma?
No punish Nedu like that again. No.
Why?
Now if you say if you can't be president tonight, so you got to be your husband.
Now say you gonna beat me.
No. If I be president, I could talk to my husband. Then my orderlies, they call the orderlies.
Orderly.
Orderly. They orderly go there. Then I could say make him take in time. Then the orderly go arrange themselves.
If now you be president, you go see the collect some money from your husband hand.
Yes, now.
If your husband one.
Yes, of course. Now in duty today, give me money.
If your husband won't do it.
If your husband want do
sign
Now
language.
you sabi that one.
no. Okay, no problem. Ijama, thank you.
Bye bye.
Person like Katim, if you want wipe, you go Ministry of Wiping. You go apply, you go be contract.
See bodyguards.
Bodyguard.
No,
Bodyguard go just stand. Hey, oh sir, no, sir, not that style, sir. Not steak and ladder, sir. Okay, go on, sir. Okay, stop. Yeah, he's sweating you too much. Stop. Continue.
Ifefe from Jos. Ifefe.
Ifefe.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
One trumpet.
May I hear
Call
the
us.
question?
Trumpet
You
don't
know,
sound.
my people make a parable, say, if me, man get two brothers, the two of them go hunter. The one where you meet where they win, a house now they carry come.
Okay.
And so if my wife be president, Hamakuma the money na me go get her. But me, I still be president of the president.
That's so.
You go be first. You go be the first man.
You could be commander of the Grand Canyon.
Not be first lady, first man. Now you go be.
But me, I go still be president for her.
Then now you go they do those different things.
How do you the commander of the
I don't run a cover and toss a borong.
It's okay.
Okay, you have fun.
You're a song.
So commander.
Commander.
No, for I mean no Grand Commander. The great grandfather of Commander. Kafibu. Afodieti o wodro na. Ana anye kai so tem fere do na anye do kitchen. Kire memo.
Thank you, Prof.
So
bye.
If we na our last caller. Ogbu imam no say why you go come late? Nedu change your style. Change. I don't know the name of the season.
Not be me cause now. Can't even know what in cause.
I said and go market.
You know this address somewhere. You know this address. I went joggers.
So I tell you if you don't come, you say no. You could still come. See, I'm there. Choma Joy say Neru today na Katim be presido. He don't talk am na. He don't talk and say the things I could do if I be presido. Leave am. Na court ko yojam. Oh who nene say Katim no change your seat for Neru. Oh, we don't finish. We don't come to the end of the show for today, Nedu. 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 If you repeat that thing where you do again.
No, devil work.
If you repeat it, I can send my orderly.
Easy been there with me now.
Easy been there. Easy be there.
How you go talk like that? You won't just implicate me.
Easy be.
How you go talk like that? I can send my orderly. My orderlies.
I bet more than no verse. I come late today. Man, I know verse.
It's
How I
okay.
can be.
You go market.
I go market 9 cause another is a t-shirt and slippers. I go market 9 cause I'm anyway. Anyway, tomorrow until tomorrow.
Keep quiet there.
Sorry.
Keep quiet there.